Hello everyone, today I'm going to modify this MOC, this Toyota HiAce. This one I designed in 2019, and for this time the modification mainly is the top. So the front part here, it need to be too curved compared to the real one, and also do some changing at this portion, because at here it somehow is not stable, so I will design that at the back, and also a little bit at the front bumper I will change it also. Okay, okay, let's go to modify that. Okay, finish. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between the new one and the old one. The front bumper was moved back for one plate distance. The side mirror was also simplified. The front top roof was too curved comparing to the real car, so I replaced the snoop curve 4x2 with the snoop curve 2x2 by 2/3. It makes the shape less curved. The rear end was also changed from the snoop curve 3x1 to the snoop curve 2x1 by 2/3. The side window moved up by one plate distance and added black paint around them. The steering wheel on the old version was closer to the center, so on the new one I changed the design to make it closer to the driver's side. Let me show you the model. So the two front doors can be open and can fit 2 minifigures at the front. The slide door can be open. the back door can be open too. So welcome to let me know if you like the old version or the new version, so you can comment in the comment section. Okay, today video is that's it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.